I will select the last month. You can see I got 2,092 clicks. My EPC, earnings per 100 clicks, is $41, which means $0.41 per click. My total earnings, $872. In this video, I will show you how you can really make money per clicks. Real method, real strategy, real case study, step-by-step guide. Let's start. If you go now to my community section on YouTube, you will see I have a lot of successful case studies from people watching my videos, my free videos. Why not to be the next one to send me your success story after watching this video? A couple of minutes may change your life. Without wasting more time, let's start. What do we have today? How to make money per clicks. Mainly, we have three methods. The first method that we don't want is websites like Swagbox and Neobox, where you go and click on ads and make few cents per 8 hours or 10 hours. I believe it's a waste of time. We want to build a real business, a stable online income stream. So close these websites. The second method is simply monetizing your website with ads. For example, if you go to my website 8supertools.com, you see I'm running ads. So when people clicks or see these ads, I make money. This is a good strategy, but also today you want something more professional. We want something more stable. We want something like this. Earnings $41 per 100 clicks, making a stable income like $1,000 per month. So what is the third method? Simply, we are talking about affiliate marketing. It's simply about promoting a product. Any product, it may be a physical product or digital products like services and software, and then you will earn a commission when you promote this product. I will share with you today the full journey from picking the product till promoting and getting your first income. Not only that, in this video you will get access to free services that you will never find anywhere else, simply because I developed it for you. So don't miss this opportunity to get my free services and to build your income stream online. Let's start. Pick the product. For today, I will pick a website called renderforest.com, a service for anyone who wants to create something online. Why I pick this service? Simply because it's one of the best services to promote. Look at the traffic. It's a trusted service. If you go here, scroll down, click on the affiliate program, you will see you can simply sign up, spread this application and get paid. If you go down here, you will see we have 8 million users using this service. So it's a trusted service. And what's nice, you can simply sign in for free and test it before you promote it. So you can understand how it works. You can build websites, logos, mock-ups, videos, everything, ads. It's a great service to promote, and you will earn 20% up to 35% commissions per sales. A great option to start with. So let's start. Click on apply to start earning. Click on this button. As I told you, I will show you everything step by step. So if you are a beginner, you can follow up exactly the same way and do exactly what I'm doing and clone my strategies. I will show you how to promote this, different options, free methods, everything in these few next minutes. So here you have this form, earn money with Render Forest. You just need to enter your name. The second field is the email, and you can see here it's better to use your domain email, a professional email. And I showed you how to create a professional email for free. Here on my channel, I'll keep the link in the description below if you want to check. So I will enter my domain name like this one, then the second email, enter a username, a password, and then we have the company information. Of course, you don't need to have a company. It's about your online presence, your website, your social media presence, and so on. So in my case, I will say my website name, enter the company website. Make sure to use a website with your own custom domain and not a website on Blogger like blogspot.com or something else. You need a custom domain. You can use Blogger or WordPress, anything, but you need a custom domain. Select your country and your address. fill this form, your city, phone number, and so on. It's simple. And then go down here to promotional information. This is very important. Please focus very well. Select type. If you have a website, for example, in my case, I will select content, a content website, add a website, and then paste your domain name again, the website you are going to use to promote this service. You can select social networks. If you have Facebook, Twitter, anything, whatever you have, add them here. You will increase the chance to get faster approval. Then simply go down. These are the terms. Click on sign up. That's it. When you sign up and you have an account, simply now you can go to this website, impact or app.impact.com/login. So you can log into your account. In my case, I already have one because I tried to make some money with this strategy before I share it with you. You know, here on my channel, I always share with you real case studies, real examples. So about 1 month ago, I started testing this strategy, and you will see now what I did exactly. So I will log into my account, sign in. Okay, so this is the main dashboard, and you can see the main metrics like available balance, upcoming balance, and you can track your clicks, actions, payouts in this chart. Create a link with one click. Just pick the affiliate program you want. You can see here I'm promoting more than 20 programs, and this render forest here. You can simply click on create link, and you have the affiliate link. Now, what you have to know here, what's important, here in this menu, we have a settings section. Open it, and anytime here you can edit your media properties, your website, your social channels, and so on. You can add them, edit them, and so on. And you can set your payment method in the finance section to receive your earnings. Anyway, here you have also the content section, the assets like email swipes and banner ads. Let's go back here to brands and to my brands section to follow up and continue our work. And by the way, I will leave a link in the description, a blog from Render Forest. If you want to learn more about their program, how to join, the policies, everything, you can read this and learn more. Anyway, it's a 3-minute blog post. Go and read it. It's better to understand the programs before you go to be a professional affiliate marketer. So here in my account, in my impact account, you can see I have a lot of programs I am promoting, and this is Render Forest here. If I click on this program, you see its details, 20 to 35% commission, and you can see deep linking is enabled. Deep linking is very important. I'll talk about it in a little bit. Please stay focused, because this option can allow you to promote this service in different more methods and help you get more commissions and earn more money. So simply click on create a link. Render Forest, create. Okay, I will copy the link. I will open Notepad, paste, and here we are. We have now the link. We can start promoting and making some money online. But before, please focus very well. I have some tricks and tips that will help you manage and promote this product more and more and make more commissions. So please focus. It's a couple of minutes and we are done, and you can start working by yourself. And don't forget, if you have any questions, I'll be waiting for you in the comments section below. So I have the link now. The first step you are going to do is to shorten this link under a branded domain. How to do this for free? Simply, if you have a WordPress website, like in my case, if you are following my free online business series to make $2,000 per month here on YouTube, you must have a website. So if you have a WordPress website, you can simply use the Pretty Links plugin inside WordPress, which you can use for free. You can simply add a new link here and paste the target URL. Add a link here, for example, Render Forest, like this, and save the link. Then if you go to Pretty Links section here, your links table, you will see and track all your links. For example, Render Forest here, I got 300 clicks, and other affiliate links. You can see I'm promoting around 80 programs, I think. So we got the link, we shortened it, and if in case you don't have a WordPress website and you want a free short link service, I have a gift for you today. Simply go to link.me, a free service. If you go here to pricing section, you will see you can start 100% free, unlimited URLs, unlimited clicks, and a branded domain. So you have everything to start for free. It's a gift from me to you. Go and check it, join, and start shrinking and tracking your links. Now we have our shortened link, render forest. I will copy it. Now instead of this weird link, we have a simple, clean, branded link. This is very important if you want to share this on social media and other places. It's very important to be a branded link. The second reason why we shorten or track this link or add to a shortening service is in case the service changed the affiliate link and you have promoted in 100 places, you'll need only to change once. You change from your table here and all the links will be changed all over the internet. This is very important. Please focus on this point. It's very important to use a branded shortened link when you promote your affiliate links to track, to manage, and to change whenever you want. Now what? We want to start promoting. We want to make some money. What to do now? How to promote it? Let's see what I did. Let's now start with the first strategy. If you go here to my Educate website, again, my front end, what I did is simply I created 3 posts. If you go here to blog section, you will see I created 3 articles. The first one is how to start freelancing with Render Forest. The second one is Render Forest versus InVideo. And the third one is how to create video ads with Render Forest. Let's look at these titles. How to start freelancing, how to create video ads, and a versus video. 3 types of articles I believe it's the best to promote an affiliate product. So number 1 is how to start freelancing. So in this article, I am sharing with people how they can freelance online, how they can make money online using a service called Render Forest. So when someone wants to follow and start working, they will join using my links. And you can see Render Forest, all these green links are affiliate links. So this is the first type of articles you can write about if you want to promote such products or similar products. The second one is a tutorial inside this service. You see this service is about creating logos, videos, and so on. So I created this article, how to create video ads with Render Forest. A full tutorial. If someone also wants to follow up with me, they will join Render Forest. The third one is a comparison keyword. Render Forest versus InVideo, the competitor. So in this way, if someone wants to choose between InVideo and Render Forest, they will read this article and they will choose one of them. And whatever they choose, I will make a commission because both are affiliate links. So the first method is to create articles and blog posts in this way. Take these ideas, mix them in your head, and do something similar in your own website, in your own blog. Now, what if you don't have a blog, you don't want to write articles or post? What to do, how to promote? Let's start with strategy number 2 in promoting this awesome service. The second strategy is to use a website called Quora, where you can answer questions related to your service. What's nice, you can use Jasper AI to answer questions, to help you answer questions. If you go here to templates and you go and search for Quora answers, you can see here, click on Quora answers. Now you can enter a question and enter maybe something to include in the answer, and Quora will automatically, or Jasper, will automatically answer the question. You can use it, tweak it a little bit, add your own style and post on Quora, answer more questions, and then promote the product. The third strategy is using the deep links with paid ads. If you remember, in a little bit, I told you the service has a deep link option enabled. So what's nice about deep linking, it allows you to create your own custom link and use with paid ads. I explained this in detail in my video how to make money from YouTube without creating videos. It's using paid ads. Go and check it right now and see the power of deep linking to promote affiliate products. Strategy number 4 is using a free service that I created for you. Go to a website called webboost.me. It's totally free. Go and sign up. I will log into my account to show you this. What we can do with this website is simply creating campaigns and pop-ups on different websites that you can access. For example, if you go to my tools website, seoanalyzer.me, you will see here, I have this website, I have some traffic here, and you can see WebBoost will show this pop-up here to promote anything you want. So you can use WebBoost to promote anything you want, any link you want, with pop-ups that will catch attention. It's a totally free service. Go and use it. It's from me to you totally for free. webboost.me. Strategy number 5. If you go to my YouTube channel here, go to videos, and let's pick a video like this one here. If you go down, it's about getting traffic with AI. In this video, I am sharing the affiliate link. Let's pick another one. This one, I believe I'm promoting here. Render Forest, our service today. So you create a tutorial on YouTube about explaining something like this one, how to make money with YouTube without making videos. Interesting title, by the way. It's about creating ads with Render Forest and promoting with YouTube paid ads. A great advanced strategy for advanced affiliate marketers. If you didn't check yet, go and watch it and see how things works. So you create a YouTube video, you can rank on YouTube with SEO, and don't forget always to check the cookie duration for any program. It's very important to understand this. You can see Render Forest have 30 days cookie policy, which means if someone watches my video and clicks today and don't buy the product, but after 25 days they bought it, the cookie is saved in their computers, so I will get a commission. So the higher the cookie is, it's better for you as an affiliate marketer. 30 days is usually the average cookie duration for affiliate programs. So strategy number 5 is creating a tutorial on YouTube and promoting an affiliate program within the video. Maybe now you tell me my channel is small, I can't rank, and so on. I will tell you something. If you go back to my channel here, let me show you this, please. Go to videos and go down. I will sort by the oldest videos. This one, I created this course 3 years ago. After 1 month, I got ranked number 1. At that moment, I had around 1,000 subscribers maybe, or 500 subscribers. Till today, I am ranking number 1 on YouTube. Till today, from 3 years till today, I'm getting views. Imagine that in this video, I'm promoting an affiliate program. I will build an income stream just from one video. Think about it. Now you may tell me how to rank number 1. How you can get my videos to rank number 1. It's easy. I told you this step by step. In a full tutorial, you can watch it right here, the YouTube SEO full guide. If you have any questions, I'll be with you anytime in the comments section below. See you later.